Ooh, we making fajita bowls. Let's get into it. So first, I'm going to beat that meat. And I beat it while it's in the package so I'm not making a mess. Now we're going to get into marinating the meat. So I use a hickory sea salt, apple cider vinegar, and mustard. I massage it in very well. Then I proceed to adding the additional seasonings. I'm going to list all these seasonings on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe with the full recipe so you can follow. I use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of each seasoning, but depending on your liking, you can use more. I'm going to also list these measurements on my YouTube channel for this recipe. And yes, I am using taco season for that fajita flavor along with balsamic vinaigrette. As you see, I am massaging that very well. And I'm going to seal it, let it sit for an hour. Now it's ready for the air fryer. I let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on broil. When it's finished, I put it in the pan with a little bit of taco seasoning and water and let it cook in. Now it's time for the veggies. I use all colored peppers, chop them up along with onions, put them in the pan with some olive oil. All the same seasons I use on the steak, I use on my veggies. Now that the steak and veggies are cooked, I'm going to work on the mango salsa. I cook the red onions a little bit because they can be kind of strong. Use diced mangoes with cilantro, add corn. Here's our mango salsa. And boom, here's my fajita bowl. We're going to add some cilantro lime sauce with a lime squeeze and some taco sauce. And ooh, baby, listen, this fajita bowl was everything, okay? I really hope you enjoyed this video. And for this recipe and more, look for it on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Instagram.